Alright guys, so for our next progression over here, we're gonna have the hang double dumbbell, power, clean, and jerk. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you one time with the dumbbells how it works, and then we're gonna go through the progressions, alright? So we're gonna grab our dumbbells over here. Let me just show you one hang, power, clean, and jerk. Something like this. Alright, so for this movement, I want everybody to follow me, alright? For your starting position, you're gonna start off by placing your feet at shoulder width, alright? Once your feet are at shoulder width, you're gonna go into your starting position, which is your hang position, okay? So this time, we're not gonna be starting from our shin, we're gonna be starting right above our knees, alright? So for your hang position, you're gonna keep that chest nice and high, keep those hamstrings tight, and use those hips, push them as far back as possible, keeping your wrists slightly above your knees, okay? This is your hang position. From here then, you're gonna drive the dumbbells up into a deadlift, alright? But I don't want you guys to stop at the deadlift, okay? From the deadlift, we're gonna do a pull to our front rack position. So it's gonna look something like this, starting position and pull. When we pull, we're gonna make sure our elbows are high as possible, okay? From here then, we're gonna take a small dip and punch the dumbbells up as hard as possible, keeping our elbows aligned with our ears. So it's gonna look something like this. Small dip and push. Alright? As you can see, my elbows are aligned with my ears. Now I don't wanna see those dumbbells forward to prevent you from falling forwards, and I don't wanna see those dumbbells all the way back to prevent injuring your trapezoids, okay? So, let's see it again. Your starting position, feet at shoulder width, keeping the chest nice and high, hamstrings tight, moving the hips back into your starting position. Remember, wrists slightly above your knees. From here then, you're gonna go into a deadlift and pull to your front rack position. So something like this, alright? From here then, small dip and jerk the dumbbells up, keeping the elbows aligned with the ears like this. Great. So, now that we have seen the progression, we're gonna work on my command, okay? So we're gonna have 3 commands. The first command is gonna be the starting position. Second command is gonna be pull. Third command is gonna be jerk, okay? So we're gonna do it all together, all right? So I want everybody to place their feet shoulder width apart. Great, great. All right, so from here then, we're gonna work together, all right? So, starting position. Yep, go in the hand position, there you go. Alright, pull, nice, and jerk, good, perfect. Let's see that one more time. I want to see a more fast pull, alright, and give as much as power as you want on that jerk, okay, just push it all the way up, alright. So let's see it one more time. Starting position, pull, and jerk, perfect, there you go. So now, I want you guys to grab your dumbbells and let's do it one time with your dumbbells, alright? So, again, we're gonna work on my command, alright? So, from here then, making sure our feet are shoulder width apart, going into our starting position, pull, and jerk. Great, there you go.